Good day everyone, I am Indian Cadet Padua Maiton. So we're going to topic for those of thermodynamics and application and thermodynamics. So next please. What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the study of relation between heat, work, temperature, and energy. The laws of thermodynamics describe how the energy and system changes with the whether the system can perform useful for work on its surrounding. So Greek words thermi means heat and dynamis means power. So so first is Zeroth law of thermodynamics. The Zeroth law of thermodynamics state that two systems are in thermodynamics equilibrium with the third system. The two original systems are in thermal equilibrium, which other basically if system is in thermal equilibrium with system C and system B is also the thermal equilibrium with system C and system A and system B are in thermal equilibrium with each other. So we have the object 1, the thermometer, and object 2 and object 3. So when the two objects are separately in thermodynamics equilibrium with the third object and they are equilibrium with each other. So there's another example of Zeroth's law. Example of Zeroth's law. So decrease temperature. So as we can see, the balls are not compressed already, and more decreased temperature. So as we can see, the walls is going to compress. So we apply negative 273.15 degrees Celsius. So as we can see, the balls are already compressed and become a solid. So next. First law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy can be converted from the one form to another with the interaction of heat, work, and internal energy. But it cannot be created or not destroyed under any circumstance. So, first law of thermodynamic energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, it only can change form or be transferred from the object to another. So this is the other example. So we apply the increase internal energy. So we apply increase internal energy, as we can see, a solid become to liquid and become to evaporation called gas. So as we can see, the balls are separated. So next one. Second law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics states that the state of entropy of the entire universe as an isolated system will always increase over time. The second law of also state that change in the entropy in the universe can never be negative. So for example, hot and cold. So heat transfer. So for example, we have the hot glass of water and we put in refrigerator. So if we wait for 5 minutes to 6 or 10, so it will become cold water. So the next one is third law of thermodynamics. The third law of thermodynamics will essentially allows to us quantify the absolute amplitude or entropies is say that we are considering a totally perfect, 100 pure crystalline and structure absolutely zero to Kelvin. We will have no entropy, not that the structure and question. We are not totally crystalline, and then the ultimate we could only have an extremely small disorder. Entropy in the space we could not perfectly say it had no entropy. So this is the diagram of third law of thermodynamics. So this is the sample of third law of thermodynamics. So the first one, water, and we put the water in refrigerator. So if we apply the 20 degrees Celsius, and the second one, so as we can see, it become a solid. So it will steady with 0 degrees Celsius. So the third is he become the solid, but not like compressed. So and the other one, so we apply -7 Celsius. So as we can see, he become a solid ice. So next one. So this is the application of thermodynamics. Application of thermodynamics are found in many fields, including but not limited to. So this is the sample of thermodynamics, and so that we call internal combustion engine, power plants, fuel cells, um, air conditioner, and refrigerator. This is the sample of thermodynamics.